Okay, now that we have this monitor assembled again, so let's put all these parts together. Starting with the monitor. Okay, let's hold on to this. There's one. This gave me trouble. Yeah, this one doesn't belong here. Alright, let's go on. Now for this part, and finally the screen is back on. Now let's put this wires where they belong. This one goes right through here to this cushion pad into the VGA plug. And this right here, this is the antenna for the Wi-Fi. This is for the webcam, so let's put them right through here. And this goes right here. There we go. Now, these cables throw in there, because they will be connected in the back where we have the Wi-Fi controller. This is for the power plug, and this is for the LEDs. So you just put this right here very carefully, right there with a little force, and this one too. As you can see, the keyboard has already been installed. Alright, now that you have that, let's turn this one this way just a little so we can install the keyboard. Alright, let's put the screws for the keyboard to raise this part here. HP keeps making things more complicated every day. Okay, there's the keyboard. Now we snap this back on. That should be it. Let's go to the underside. To finish putting the last components. As you can see, here are the cables for the Wi-Fi. We got 1 and 2. This one's number 2. Alright, there's the Wi-Fi. Let me take out these memory cards before I put in the battery back on. Okay, this is the last parts here, so this will go down very quickly. Let me just try this one once more. Yep, that one is broken. Okay, let's just put the components back on. Here's a hard drive. This goes in like so. Got the memory chips. So 2 GB each of memory chips. Put the battery on. Oh, hold on, I gotta put these ones first. I can put a battery. Okay, that should be all set. Let's see if it turns on. Score! We did it. Well, that's it for this first repair for Banditech's blog site. I'll be posting my first YouTube channel too, so you can subscribe there to see other of my new videos and repairs. So till then, see you guys. Bye.